What's up, guys? Are you driving around only able to see about half of your driver's information center? Well, it's actually a pretty common problem on these cars. There are some bulbs in the back that you can replace, and I'm going to show you how to do it. Okay, so the first thing you're going to need to do is remove the two 7mm screws holding the panel in under the steering wheel. Then you're going to grab the entire panel and slide it towards you, which should unclip it from the top. Once that's out of the way, the surround around the radio and the gauge bezel will all come out as one piece. This is just held in by clips. But just be careful because it is old and plastic and prone to breaking. So make sure you free all the clips before you go trying to remove it. Then just squeeze it past the steering wheel, get it the rest of the way out of your way. Down to this point, you're going to be pushing these little clips in on both sides to get it to come out. Then once you get it down far enough, you're just going to push down on this to release this connector, and then it's out. Okay, once you have it in the house, the next thing you're going to do is you're going to be pulling this top piece off. This can be a little frustrating because these little tabs are probably not going to want to release very easily, but one tab at a time, you basically just need to push down on it and pull them up one at a time till you get this completely loose, at which time this will probably fall out, so just don't lose it. Then, once you've gotten this far, you'll see some little Torx bits, and you're going to need to remove those. Once you have those two little screws out, you can pull the screen part of this up and tilt it out like this, and you'll see these are your PC119s. So then just find the ones that are blown or just replace all of them, and then you should be ready to go. Once you've got it back in, make sure you turn it on. Double check and make sure that it works and that all the lights are lit up the way you want them to be. And then you can go ahead and reassemble. So if you've made it this far, chances are your driver's information center is lit, pardon the pun, and everything should be ready to go. So if you enjoyed this video, make sure you hit the thumbs up down there, and make sure that you're subscribed to my channel because I make more videos like this every single week. And make sure that you've hit the bell icon so that you can see when I upload. I am done for this one, and I will see you guys in the next video, but thank you so much for watching. I will see you next time, and peace.